So today we will go over how to find the perimeter of a figure. So if we take a look at this first one right here, we see that it is a rectangle. And since this figure is a rectangle, what we know is there are some side lengths that are congruent. We know that this side is congruent to this side. So if this top side is 3x squared plus x minus 2, we know that here is also 3x squared plus x minus 2. Also, we know if this side length right here is 5x plus 6, we also know that this side length is 5x plus 6 because of the definition of a rectangle. Okay, so now we look at perimeter. In order to find the perimeter of a figure, you're looking for the distance around whatever that figure is. This happens to be a rectangle. We're looking for the total distance around the figure. In order to find that, what you need to do is you need to add up all the side lengths. So here we have expressions, so we're going to add up all those expressions. And how you add up expressions, we add like terms. So just like we were doing before, find the ones that have the exact same variable and exponent and combine their coefficients. So we have 3x squared. We also have another 3x squared. If we combine those two together, we end up getting 6x squared. Next, we look for other like terms, and we see we have a bunch of x's. So we have an x here, 5x, 1x, and 5 more x's. So we have in total 12 x's if we add up all of those together. And then last, we add up our constants. So we have -2, 6, -2, and 6. If we add all those together, -2 plus 6 is 4, minus 2 is 2, plus 6 is 8. So therefore, our perimeter, written as an expression, is 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. We can't do anything more because there are no more like terms. Okay, so moving on to the next problem here. Now we have a different figure. And we have a bunch of these tick marks here, which indicate that all of the sides are the same length. So if one of them was 3x plus 5, we know that all of them are 3x plus 5. Since this figure has 5 sides, it's called a pentagon. But we find the perimeter exactly the same way. Since perimeter means the total distance around any figure, in order to find the total distance, we're going to add up all the sides by adding like terms. So if we have 3x, 5 3x's, if we add those all up, we have in total 15x. And now if we add up our constants, so 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, we have 25. So therefore, our perimeter here, written as an expression, is 15x plus 25. Okay, and then taking a look at the last problem for this video, it says find the perimeter as an algebraic expression of a trapezoid that has an upper base of 4x plus 2, a lower base of 6x plus 5, and legs of 7x plus 1, and 5x minus 4. So the first thing I'm going to do to solve this problem is I'm going to draw a picture of a trapezoid. And we're told that the upper base is 4x plus 2, so I'm going to write that in. The lower base is 6x plus 5, so I'm going to write that in. And we know that the legs are 7x plus 1 and 5x minus 4. So now we again are looking for perimeter. So perimeter means the total distance around the figure, which means in order to get that, we need to add up all the sides by adding like terms. So I'm going to identify which ones are the like terms. So I have 4x plus 7x plus 6x plus 5x. So if I add all those up, 4x plus 7x is 11x, plus 6x is 17x, plus 5x is 22x. And then I need to add up my constants. So I have 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. If I add those up, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So therefore, our perimeter here, written as an algebraic expression, a simplified algebraic expression, is 22x plus 4. So that is how you find the perimeter